Video, I will answer the question, can I eat fruits during the Candida protocol? And my answer is yes. So watch my other videos on my channel about how to heal Candida overgrowth, about how many carbs can you eat when you do the protocol. I have several videos about Candida, so go watch these videos if you want more details about the Candida protocol. So yeah, so the question today is, can we eat fruits during the protocol? Yes. You want to lower your carbs to the minimum during the protocol. I did a video about that, go watch it. Because we know that sugar feeds Candida a lot, feeds SIBO and other dysbiosis. So you want to lower your sugar and your carbs in general. You still want to eat some carbs. And I like to recommend fruits and root vegetables, as I said in my other video. So which fruits? So again, you want to choose fruits that are not too rich in sugar. So choose fruits like berries. Berries are the fruits that have the less sugar. Blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, etc. So of course you need to know your food intolerances. This is the rule number one when you do a protocol to heal your gut. You need to know your food intolerances and to eliminate your food intolerances for the whole time of the protocol. Okay, so for example, if you are intolerant to strawberries, of course don't eat strawberries. But yeah, generally you want to choose fruits that are low in sugar. Berries, small apples. So I say small apples because usually bigger apples have more sugar. But small apples are fine. Regarding banana, it will depend on you. You can try and see how you feel when you eat bananas. Okay, if you have a worsening of your symptoms, more gas, more bloating, when you eat bananas, then eat less bananas, or just don't eat bananas and eat fruits that have less sugar. Avoid fruits that are very rich in sugar, like dates, for example, like pineapples, like papaya. Usually exotic fruits are richer in sugar, so this is not a good idea during the protocol, especially during the first month. During the second month you can eat a little more sugar, fruits I mean, but yeah, be careful, and it's different for everybody. It's not the same. It depends on your body, on your metabolism, and so on. So yeah, this was my answer to this question, can we eat fruits during the protocol? The answer is yes, but choose the right fruits. Okay, if you want more details about the protocol, go on my website, thecandidaslayer.com. The link will be under this video in the description box. You can buy the course on how to heal your gut. This course includes a booklet that details everything you need to know to heal your gut. And also, if you buy the course, I follow you personally during the whole time of the protocol. You can ask me your questions. There is a live Zoom Q&A every week, every Sunday evening. You can ask me all your questions. So yeah, I really hold your hand the whole time, and therefore you can heal faster and better. You can also join me on my Facebook group. The link will be under this video also. And meanwhile, I see you in the next video. Bye bye.